Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play Zelda Breath of the Wild in first person. In my opinion, this looks really nice, and it's actually a pretty easy glitch to do. There have been other versions of this glitch in the past, which included the Zero Cycle, which is part of a DLC. But this glitch, you don't have to use a DLC for, so you can pretty much do it in just the default version of the game. So, let's get into it. Okay, so to start, go ahead and just place down a bomb, and pick up the bomb and click your pause menu at the same time. Now just go over and unequip your shield like so. Now just throw the bomb, and you can re-equip your shield and switch to the camera. Now hold out your shield, open your pause menu, and equip any item. It does not matter which item you use, but one thing I will say is you do have to continue holding your shield after you leave. It doesn't look like I am, but I am holding down my shield button right now. Now just go ahead and switch to any other sword. Now click L and plus at the same time, like so. And now as soon as you leave your inventory, you should be in first person. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I had a lot of fun making this, and have a great day. Bye!